Hi everyone, I want to show Smart Vertex Paint, a Blender add-on I created to turn repetitive color ID work into fast and automated workflow. We start with a color palette and assignment tools. Each color has its own ID number, which you can assign to different parts of the model. Select some faces, choose a numbered color, and click Assign Active. The color is applied instantly. If color ID is already used on the model, a small green checkmark appears, so you can immediately see which colors are active. Next is visibility by color. Select one or more color IDs and click Isolate to show only the matching parts, or Hide to temporarily remove them from view. This makes it much easier to work on complex models without other geometry getting in the way. Click Show All to bring the complete model back. The real magic is autocolor generators. This is what makes you work ultra fast. With one click, you can automatically color separate parts by geometry or by UV map. It can also find parts with similar size, such as bolts, screws or panels, and give them the same color automatically based on their 3D geometry size or UV size. You can also bake the vertex colors directly into an image. This gives you a simple color map that can be used as mask in Unity, Unreal Engine, or other 3D software. When your model is ready, you can export the selected objects as FBX file while keeping all the color ID information. SVP simplifies the export settings, making it quick and easy to continue working in Substance Painter, Unity, or other game engines. Now, import the FBX into Substance Painter. Open Bake Mesh Maps, go to ID settings, change color source to Vertex Color, and start the bake. Substance Painter reads the color created in Blender and turns them into clean color ID map. Now comes the fun part. Drag any material onto the model, right-click the layer, and choose Add Mask with Color Selection. Pick one of your color IDs with the eyedropper, and the material instantly appears on every matching part. No manual masking, no searching through the model, and no wasted time. I built Smart Vertex Paint through an iterative workflow with Codex and GPT 5.6. I designed the artist workflow and tested every feature in Blender, while Codex helped me build the back and improve the add-on. Working with AI feels like magic. It's amazing that you can turn an idea into a real working tool.